Welcome to DevDiscovery. If you're a development professional or a policymaker, whether you're designing new interventions, conducting research, or evaluating your policy implementation pathway, this platform is built for you. Over the next few minutes, we're going to show you exactly how DevDiscovery works and why it's going to change how you conduct research. Let's get started. Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk and you need to answer a complex development question. Maybe it's about climate finance barriers in fragile states, or gender outcomes in agricultural programs, or what's actually working in health systems across Southeast Asia. Normally, this means hunting through multiple knowledge sources, downloading data, reading dozens of reports, and piecing it all together. It's slow, it's frustrating. DevDiscovery eliminates that friction. Here's what makes it different. DevDiscovery brings together two kinds of intelligence that usually live in separate silos. First, you have hard data: GDP, poverty rates, health outcomes, agricultural productivity, pulled directly from trusted sources. This is your quantitative foundation. Second, you have the narrative: project and program documents, evaluations, policy briefs, economic analyses, peer-reviewed research, and more, all supplemented with real-time web search. The qualitative data helps you understand the why behind the numbers. Together, they give you a complete picture. Everything is quality assured to institutional standards, so you're working with verified, auditable information, not noise. Now, let's walk through how you actually use it. There are two modes, and they're designed for different moments in your research workflow. First, the AI-Powered Search Workspace. This is your command center when you need to hunt for knowledge fast. You land on the platform, you see a clean search box, and you can search however you want. Keywords, long paragraphs, even upload a document as your query. Let's say you search for agricultural extension. DevDiscovery pulls results from different knowledge categories and organizes them into tabs, so you can see exactly where each result came from. Every result is ranked by relevance and hyperlinked directly to the source. But here's where it gets powerful. On the left sidebar, you have filters. Filter by source: MDBs, DFIs, bilateral agencies, research institutions. Filter by geography: zoom in on a region or a single country. Filter by thematic area: sector, topic, whatever matters to you. Filter by date: you're not drowning in results. You're sculpting your search in real time, narrowing down to exactly what you need. As you scan the list results, you'll see a bookmark icon next to each one. Click it, and that source goes into your personal collection. Your bookmarks are persistent. They sync across sessions. Once you've built a search with filters that you like, you can save it with a custom name and share it with colleagues. Your team member in another part of the world can load your exact query, see your search parameters, and build on your work without starting from scratch. And when you're ready to move forward, you can export your results as a clean, organized Excel workbook. Not copy-paste chaos, but structured data ready for your next workflow. Now, the second mode is where DevDiscovery becomes your research partner. We call our AI chat the super agent. This is where you move from finding information to synthesizing it into actionable intelligence. On this page, you will see a large chat box. On the right side, you'll see a Sources dropdown. You can manually select which knowledge sources you want to use. Let me walk you through your options. Auto means DevDiscovery picks the best sources automatically. And yes, it might combine multiple sources depending on your question or instruction. Socio-economic data gives you access to over 10 million standardized data points. Use this when you need quantitative analysis and charts. Financing includes project and program documents from several leading MDBs and DFIs. Use this when you're analyzing project design or financing mechanisms. Publications are policy briefs, strategy documents, and sector analyses from several leading institutions in the sector. Use this for policy context and institutional thinking. Evaluations are independent assessments and lessons learned from real development interventions. Use this for evidence on what actually works and what doesn't. Scholarly sources are peer-reviewed research and academic papers. Use this for theoretical grounding and rigorous evidence. Web search gives you real-time intelligence, current news, recent policy announcements, emerging developments, and much more. Use this to ground your analysis in the present moment. You can also upload your own documents or include URLs, and DevDiscovery will supplement them with its knowledge repositories as needed. But remember, you're not locked into one source. You can mix and match. Combine socio-economic data with scholarly works and real-time policy developments. Check the boxes you need, and your AI partner synthesizes across all of them. And if you're not sure what to pick, just let the auto-default figure it out for you. You can also get granular. Say you want only ADB financing documents from a specific geography. Just mention that in your query, and DevDiscovery isolates the context automatically and responds only based on that. Once you've chosen your sources, you select your analytical tool. This is where you define what you want to create and how deep you want to go. Let's say you ask a complex question. What are the barriers to climate finance uptake in fragile states, and what does recent evidence suggest about overcoming them? If you select Deep Research, DevDiscovery synthesizes across your sources and produces a comprehensive, structured brief. This isn't a summary, it's rigorous, deep analysis. Need to pitch to stakeholders? Use Create Slides. DevDiscovery generates a polished slide deck with compelling narrative flow, data visualizations, evidence-backed talking points, and professional design. Since it's a PowerPoint file, you can beautify it further without worrying about the research and content. Or use the Create Document tool to generate a formatted publication-style brief with academic references. Both of these are extremely powerful when you need solid research in a short time frame. If you don't pre-select a tool, you can simply copy and paste the output or download it as PDF, Word, or Markdown. And remember that you are not on your own. In Platform, you'll find FAQs, or you can simply ask DevDiscovery's super agent for help or guidance. For direct support, email support@devdiscovery.com. On our YouTube channel, we also provide a library of detailed demo videos. Here's the bottom line. DevDiscovery is built on one principle. Development professionals deserve better tools. Tools that are fast, trustworthy, and designed for how you actually think and work. You've now seen what's possible. In our next videos, we're going to show you AI fundamentals that will help you unlock the full power of DevDiscovery, and then we'll walk through real workflows so you can start executing immediately. Thank you for watching.